Microsoft Small Business Edition.
It wants to install the SQL Server here. Notice also that I'm running here SharePoint Team Services, which is already using SQL Server. So if you are installing it on a server that is serving to the World Wide Web, you have to be careful about what you are doing, because it may corrupt it and so on. I just want to demonstrate, to verify that my SharePoint Team Services server is up and running and is working, because occasionally there will be problems with it. This one you see here is on a remote server, but I want to check the one that is on a local server and see if it works. It's under the home website, so under localhost. Well, it takes a little time, but you can see that it goes to localhost and it's working fine. When you click on localhost, it also demonstrates that it works. So now we're closing it, say next to continue. It is trying to install MSDN, which is the Microsoft Data Engine, and because it just said that it is doing that, and it says preparing to install window installer.
So that doesn't check to see if it has it?
Huh?
It doesn't check to see if it has it?
It is to install. Preparation includes checking to see if it has it, and it checks. When it says preparing to install, it pulls up the MSDN engine and tries to run it, and see it should realize that it is running, and therefore should suspend the run of it. You can also see this icon on the right upper corner shows you the server is currently running. And in order to make changes, it probably will have to stop and do something with it. But I'm going to just let it continue and see what it does. It continues in the attempt to prepare and install it. For now, nothing else is happening, so we'll suspend this session and we'll